Hey guys, I'm Angie from Angie's Corner. So today we are going to be creating this look right here. So yeah, it is my first time on YouTube. Please don't judge me, please. And if you guys want to see any other kind of videos, any other kind of content besides makeup, please let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe. So let's get on. So I have my eyebrows concealed, and we are going to start off with our eyeshadow. For that, I'm gonna use the same concealer to prime my eyelids. Okay, so we're going to start off with the Too Faced palette, and we're going to be using the shade Peach Punch. Actually, yeah, Peach Punch. This one right here. And with that one, we are going to lightly pack it onto our whole eyelid. Well, not the whole eyelid, but just the crease. And once you do that, so let's go ahead and do that. Sorry. Okay, first we're going to pack this one on. Peach Merengue. It's called Peach Merengue. It's like a white kind of beige color. This is just to set the foundation. Okay, the foundation concealer. Okay, so we're gonna start off here. And we're just gonna pack it on like that. Okay, so once we have that there, we're going to blend it out. So once we have that done, we're going to use our Subculture palette, and we're going to use the shade All Star. I'm gonna grab this brush, and we're just kind of gonna start to like build up the color. You don't want to put a lot on the brush because then it'll look too harsh. I'm going to grab a bigger blending brush and just blend out those two colors. And I'm going back with that same brush and kind of like going on here. And then you are going to go into the color Rowdy from the same palette. This is more like a dark purple. And for that one, we're going to use this like small brush, and we're going to lightly put it in our crease. kind of like that, and then you're going to go back with the blending brush and blend it out. So once we are done with this, we're going to do a half cut crease. This small little brush to cut the crease. I'm gonna grab this brush here and just kind of do this. So once we have our cut crease, so we're going to grab our Morphe palette and we're going to use the shade Extra, which is this orangey color, and we're going to put it in our cut crease. And for that, I'm going to use this brush. It's a flat brush. Once we have that, we're going back into our Subculture palette and we're going to use New Wave. And we're going to just do that and blend it out a little. And we're going back into the Morphe palette. So once we have that, we're going back into our Subculture palette and kind of blending this out, that there. We're going into All Star. Once we are done with that, we're going to grab our eyeliner, which is this Kat Von D tattoo liner, and we're just going to kind of make a small little line for where I'm gonna put my lashes on. Okay, so like that. Next, we're gonna pop on some mascara and we are going to do the other eye off camera, and yeah. BRB. So I am done with both eyes now. So now we're going to put our lashes on. If I can get it open. Okay. So we got our lashes and we're going to put those on. So these are the lashes I'm going to be wearing. I use this glue, the Duo. It's bomb. I just made a whole big bubble on my pants. So we're going to put our lashes on now. Okay guys, so I am back with both eyes done, lashes and all. So next we're going to be doing our face makeup, and for that I'm going to be using this Cover FX Water Cloud Primer. It's kind of dirty, so I'd like to put that here. Let me put my hair back. One time. Okay, so once we have that done, I primed my face already, so I'm going to get my foundation, and I use the L'Oreal Infallible foundation in the shade 480. And so yeah, so I use this brush and just blend it out. Okay, so once we have that done, I conceal my under eyes. I conceal my under eyes with the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. Doesn't really have that much. This brush to kind of just blend that out. So now that we have that done, we're going to contour. If I can find my contour. I like using this little small thing. It's not concealer, it's foundation actually, but I like how it works. So I just like going like this. And so for this, we're going to use this brush again. Okay, so once we have that done, and I'm going to use the Cover FX translucent powder. I'm not going to bake, I'm just going to like set my whole face with this. Oh crap. And to set, I use this flat brush. So once we're done with that, we're going to do our under eye. And for that, we're going to use the Subculture palette. We're going to use Roxy. So when we're done doing that, we're going to grab this brush and use the color All Star to blend it out with the Roxy. Okay, for our inner corner highlight, we're going to use Electric. And put it right there. Just like that. Okay. We're going to put some blush on with this brush. Last highlight. Okay. So that is the end of the look. I forgot my lip gloss. We're gonna use the Anastasia lip gloss in the shade Pink Tourmaline. And we're going to set our face. Got in my nose. So this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching so much, and I will start posting once a week, maybe Wednesdays or Saturdays. That's when I will probably post. And let me know in the comments what you guys want to watch and what you guys don't want to watch. So yeah, thank you. Bye.